How to verify identity on id.me. Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on id.me. Steps to verify your identity using your ID on id.me is very simple. All you have to do is first of all log in. So for that, open up your application. In my case, I'm using a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna be seen. So tap the tab bar icon and go ahead and tap the login button and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page where you need to go ahead and tap the profile icon. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to your profile page, and right in between you'll be able to find an option as verify. Now you'll be asked to choose a verification method. Once you select verify using your ID, then you'll need to take a photo using a smartphone or upload an image of your documents from your current device and whatsoever. So you have to go through all of these. You'll need to select the method of verification, and after that you'll have to upload the images accordingly and information accordingly. Once you're done providing the information, then it's going to take a couple of hours in order to verify your identity. Till then, all you can do is wait patiently until you receive any notification. So in that way, you can verify your identity on id.me. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.